So I've talked about testosterone a lot. Well, everyone that does videos on testosterone essentially talks about the little things that you can do to make little bumps in your testosterone, make sure you're getting enough zinc, especially if you sweat a lot, vitamin D3, things like ashwagandha, tongat ali, those can help. Like with supplementation, you're getting 200 to 400 point increase. And no one wants to hear this, but all of these things, these little incremental bumps that you can get naturally by eating the right macros, staying at a caloric maintenance, carbs, because it keeps cholesterol or cortisol in check. All of these things are negated if you're unhealthy. So it goes to stand that if you're unhealthy and you're trying to increase your testosterone levels naturally through supplementation, little tricks and hacks and avoiding this and avoiding that, while they're all good, the focus should be health. The focus should be to build a physique that has low body fat. Body fat basically crushes your testosterone levels because that's where your body converts testosterone to estrogen. You need to be strong and in shape, have good cardiovascular health, eat right. Testosterone and health go hand in hand. So we can talk a lot about these little things that you can do to help increase testosterone, but the main focus should be to be physically the best performing individual that you can be. So some people will say that, oh, I've got to take XYZ to increase my testosterone so I can be healthy. But the better thing to do is get healthy so you can increase your testosterone. Then those supplements and different little tricks and tactics will have more of a benefit. That 200 to 400 point gain in testosterone is probably likely due to a healthy body that just needs maybe a block in estrogen levels that are too high, or an increase in free T from vitamin D3, or overall T with tongat ali and ashwagandha. But what you need, and I've seen this over and over again in my life, I get unhealthy, my testosterone levels go down. I'm active, I'm training really hard, boxing is a part of my lifestyle, lifting 5 days a week. These kind of things are going to have the biggest impact on your testosterone levels. So all these videos of guys telling you, oh, what do you need to boost your testosterone levels? You need this, and coincidentally I'm selling this. Or you need this, and coincidentally I'm selling this. I have a supplement company. These things aren't going to make the biggest impact. The reason why I wrote the Man Diet, I'm selling it for super cheap, is because it's super easy to follow. It's a healthy diet. You eat things that you can pick or kill, and it's balanced. You don't cut carbs because carbs are great for body composition, for power, for keeping cortisol levels in check. So you need carbs. You don't cut fats because you need fats to increase testosterone. That's your body converts cholesterol into testosterone. You need it. It's a foundation of testosterone. Like, that's the building block. But you also don't cut protein. So there are some studies that show extremely high protein diets negatively impact testosterone. Are they great studies? Debatable. What I do know is high protein keeps your body composition in check. It keeps you lean. It enables you to build muscle. So the body composition aspect is going to have a bigger impact than dropping your protein levels. 35, 35, 30. So 35% carbs, 35% fats or calories coming from, and around 30% from protein. What that should work out to is, for me, that works out to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So that's why I created the Man Diet. That's why we have workouts. That's why you should be on a program. I like daily undulating periodization because it gives you the proper volume in a week to build muscle and strength. And the focus should be strength, because the stronger you get, the more muscle you're going to build, the leaner you're able to get. And lean is a matter of calories, rocket science. So if you're not losing fat, your calories are out of whack. Change your macros up a bit. Go do the 35, 35, 30, but you really have to track your calories. That's why you have meal plans. That's why I follow meal plans. You have to be training 5-6 days a week. I do cardio 3 to 6 days a week, and I'm trying to get it to every day. Going for runs, boxing, a couple times a week, and any other form of cardio. Just for cardiovascular health, that's not really a calorie thing. Your calories are, you can't out-train a bad diet, or it's extremely hard, especially if you're busy. I'm working a lot, you're probably working a lot. You don't have time to train 3-4 hours a day or twice a day. So get your calories in check. MyFitnessPal is a good thing. I'll follow a meal plan, and just to be safe, I'll track it in MyFitnessPal, and myfitnesspal.com, or it's an app. You can get the app in the app store or whatever. The testosterone thing, I know everyone wants to have and sleep. Yes, sleep is massive. But that's a part of a healthy lifestyle. If you're not sleeping, your cortisol levels are going to be too high. You're just going to be unhealthy. You get sick when you don't sleep. You store fat when you don't sleep. So sleeping's massive. But again, that goes in line with a healthy lifestyle. Get your 8 hours of good sleep. Do whatever you've got to do to get that 8 hours. A sleep schedule and a dark room are most important. And temperature is actually pretty important too. Be training. Whatever you have to do to build up to 5-6 days a week, do it. What I suggest is starting with 1 day a week. Start with the lowest barrier to entry. 1 day a week. If you want to start doing 100 push-ups a day, start with 1 push-up a day. If you want to start doing 6 days, 7 days of cardio, start with 1 day a week, and just build that habit and then build upon that habit. But if you want to have a high testosterone lifestyle, the things like competing are important, taking risks, all those things, they're important, but you do that as a part of your lifestyle. You do the training, you have the healthy lifestyle that you can then build upon. So I have a supplement company. I have technically things to sell you, but I will say that supplements can help. They're not the foundation. The foundation has to be a good diet and a good training routine, a healthy lifestyle. That's the purpose of this video. If you really want to boost testosterone levels, get as healthy as you possibly can, and this should be a mindset thing. You are here to reach your potential. I am here to reach my potential. That's a massive part of the purpose. We're here to live. And we do that by building the best body we can. A successful life, a healthy body, a high performing body, a strong body, one that has good endurance and cardiovascular health. That is a foundation to a good life, a purposeful life, a successful life. So take that seriously, build that foundation. From then, tweak your macros, add supplements, and that kind of stuff. But it's just all about living a healthy lifestyle. And I'll talk more about training, about why I like daily undulating periodization, or DUP, and why it's important to keep a journal so you can track your progress. But just know that the supplements help. They don't do. You do. You live the healthy lifestyle. You live the driven lifestyle, the athletic lifestyle, the high performance lifestyle, and the supplements will help. The supplements aren't the foundation. They're an addition. I've just seen a lot of videos on the YouTubes about little things that will make a massive impact in your testosterone levels. And there's a lot of ads coming out that are focused on these little things, but they don't talk about the foundation. The foundation is diet and training and lifestyle. So get those in line with what you want. And the Man Diet, I think it's $5 or whatever. I'll put links down below. We have it on the website in digital form or book copy. It's on Amazon as well. It's just a simple guide, a quick, easy read. There's nothing outrageous that you have to cut out of your diet. You're not going all meat or all carbs and vegetables. You're having a balance. You don't remove meat, because meat is great for humans. We need it. It's the most bioavailable source of protein and carnitine and B vitamins and good fats. So you need meat, good carbs, and I go through all of it in the Man Diet. I'll put the link down below. It's super cheap. But just know, supplements can help, but the foundation is your lifestyle and what you do. And the proof in the pudding is, if you find an unhealthy guy and a healthy guy, the healthy guy is far more likely to have higher testosterone levels than the unhealthy guy. It's almost every time. So focus on health, get the lifestyle in check, and then you can add some supplements as additions. So that's a video today. Check out the Man Diet in the description down below. If you have any questions, please post them down below. I'll answer all the questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care.